So while I was in Kenya early this year, I had a chance to connect with Cleopa and his partner Mohammed and see the airship in person. It's about 14 meters long, about 5 meters wide. And this is primarily a research project to see if this mode of medical logistics is feasible and something that should be adopted in the future.
So for the airship, I think the mere fact that it's able to carry a larger payload is something that was of interest to the project. But also, the fact that it's a new platform that we as KFL are interested to see in what areas we could stretch it to.
My advice would be to not be afraid to go against the grain. It's a conversion of crude, and we're all just exploring, so don't be afraid to explore against the grain. Whatever interests you, you go at it and dive headfirst and indulge in whatever comes.